Done for in serious trouble or at the point of defeat or death. Done in extremely tired. Done with to bring to an end, to finish. Dope out to figure out or understand. Doze off to fall asleep briefly, especially unintentionally. Draft in to recruit or bring someone into a project or activity. Drag on to continue for too long or tediously. Draw on to use as a resource. Draw up to come to a stop or to prepare a document. Dream of to aspire or hope for. Dress up to wear formal or elaborate clothes. Drift off to gradually fall asleep. Drive away to force to leave or flee. Drive out to force someone off or something to leave. Drive through to use a service without leaving the car. इस तरह से इसको सेल्फ रीड करना. Fall back to retreat or move back. Fall back on to resort to something as an alternative. Fall behind to lag or be delayed. Fall down to collapse or fail. Fall flat to fail to impress or amuse. Fall for to be deceived or develop a romantic interest. Fall in to get into position in a rank or formation. Fall in with to agree with or become involved with. Fall off to decrease in amount or intentionally. Fall on to attack or to be a responsibility of. Fall out to quarrel or disagree, also hear loss. Fall over to lose one's balance and collapse. इस तरह से इनको सेल्फ रीड करके कंप्लीट करना. Freak out to react with extreme emotion, panic or agitation. Free up to make available by removing restriction or obstructions. Freeze over to become covered with ice. Freshen up to refresh oneself. Example, by washing or changing clothes. Fritter away to waste time, money or energy with energy on trivial activities. Frown upon to disapprove of something. Gain on to get closer to someone or something in a chase or competition. Gather around to come together around someone or something. Gear up to prepare for an event or activity. Get across to communicate an idea or message effectively. Give over to stop doing something, to hand over. Give up to quit or surrender. Give away to collapse or yield. Given to, prone to or inclined to do something. Gloss over to cover up or treat superficially without going into depth. Gnaw away at to destroy in a gradual manner, to cause persistent distress or anxiety. Go about to proceed with a task or to circulate. Go after to pursue or chase. Go against to oppose or to be contrary to. Go ahead to proceed or continue. Go along with to agree or cooperate with. Go around to circulate, to bypass or avoid, to visit various places. Go at to attack or approach aggressively. Go away to leave or depart. Go back to return to a place or condition. Go back on to break a promise or fail to fulfill. Hang in to preserve or remain persistent. Hang off something to understand or get used to something. Hang on to hold tightly to wait a short time. Hang on to keep something, not give away or lose. Hang out to spend time relaxingly in a place or with someone. Hang together to remain united or coherent. Hang up to end a phone call, to suspend something. Interfere with to prevent or slow down a process or activity. Invest in to put money, effort, time, etc. into something to achieve a profit or a result. Involve in to include someone or something in an activity. Iron out to remove difficulty or find solution to problem. Jack up to increase usually prices or physically lift something. Jam into to force into a small or insufficient space. Jam up to become or make something blocked or stuck. Join in